Picture a board, a blank canvas in a meeting room, inviting collaboration and igniting ideas. This is where your story begins, where the essence of innovation meets the hand of the end user. In the heart of Lochem, Legamaster is weaving this story, coupling sustainability with superior functionality. We think bigger by bringing production home, aligning with ESG goals, and championing a greener future. Our reimagined products are lighter, sleeker, boasting efficient hanging systems. We champion customization, crafting boards in any shape or size. Turn open spaces into playgrounds for the mind with the new Essence whiteboards and improve acoustics with our wall-up boards. Our products carry the EU Eco-Label certification, embedding sustainability at the core of our design process. We are Legamaster, bridging the gap between innovation and sustainability, where every board tells a story. Your story. Experience the essence of sustainable innovation with Legamaster.